Hello again, internet people, and welcome to this corner of the internet. My name is JavaKid, and I am here with another JavaScript for Kids video. Today in this video, we are going to explore, get used to, and try out our new text editor, Brackets. And with that said, let's jump right into it, guys. So today, as I said, we are going to be exploring our new text editor called Brackets, and I have a few alerts set up for you guys, so let's get through them. Let's press OK. Hello, internet people. In this episode of JavaScript for Kids, we will be using a different text editor called Brackets. What is a text editor, you may ask? According to Google, a text editor is a system or program that allows a user to edit text. Press OK. Let's do this. So this is going to be a small change for us, guys, but also a big one too. And what I mean by that is that this text editor is very useful in just taking our code and giving us ways to kind of experiment with them and use them as we have never really done before. So let's move into our text editor. This is what Brackets looks like. So as you can see here, I have a few folders here, but this is the folder that I'm going to use called the JavaKid, and in here we have index.html and intro to brackets.js. So this JS is where I put all of my JS code, and I suggest that is where you guys put all of your JS code. So first of all, what I want to be introducing to you guys is the aspect of also using HTML in like correlation with our JavaScript. So if you see here, I have a very simple HTML setup, and you don't really need to know the nitty and gritty about HTML to really code in Brackets, but you do have to know how to connect an external JavaScript file into your original index.html file so that you can actually use this live preview over here to generate your outcome over here on Chrome. And I also suggest that you guys download Chrome because you are going to need Chrome to have your live preview over here. So let's flip back to here. And this is all you basically need. It just needs to say script, source, whatever, and you could put whatever your file name is here, and then .js. So then this is going to link this HTML file with your JavaScript file so that you can use this live preview and get your outcome over here on Chrome. So that's basically all the HTML you need to know, but since you guys know me, I like to experiment with HTML, and I have been experimenting with HTML. I'm going to teach you guys a simple, very simple, kind of a taste of HTML, so you might want to explore it later. So we're just going to add header 1 here. Oops, not comma header 1. Why did I? Okay. Header 1 here. And what this does is it's going to create a kind of ginormous size text for us. It looks like a title, and you guys will see it, and we're gonna say welcome to Brackets, guys. Okay, and we have our extension here, and what we do this time, instead of actually in Firefox how we used to run it every single time we wanted our JavaScript to show up, we can actually just press this refresh here, which we actually didn't need to do because it already generated, which is pretty cool. And this is the header 1. This is what it looks like. It looks like a pretty big title, and it just pops up like this. And I hope you guys really try to explore HTML because not only is there JavaScript, there's also HTML and CSS, which I'm going to try to do some tutorials on, so stay tuned, guys. So let's go back. We have our basic HTML setup, and let's actually test out what Brackets can do. So let's go back to our JavaScript, and let's kind of explore it. So let's do our kind of simple, basic stuff that we do. Let me just delete this. And let's say an alert. Oh, okay, so this pops up, which is cool, and it says alert. So if you're a lazy bum and you don't want to type in all your text, press enter, guys. Bam. And then you just need to put your parentheses, of course, and your quotation marks, of course, and your semicolon that isn't inside of those quotation marks. But back to our text. We don't need to actually fully type our text to have it show up on brackets. And you might have noticed something when I typed in alert. Let's see, alert. You see this eye right there? So you click this sign, and it goes right over here to this page where you can learn all about window alert and all about it, what is its application, notes about it, everything, guys, which is really useful when you don't know what a specific command or what it does. So just click on this handy little eye over here and you'll be popped up right there. So oh, a pretty cool thing I also wanted to show you guys was that you can actually change your theme. So if you go over here to settings, you can make it wait, no, it failed. So let's go to view and themes, and you can actually change your theme. So let's go to brackets dark and press done. Whoa, guys, just look. Oh, I can't get enough of this. Look, just look at this new theme we have here. And every time you type, you type stuff, you do anything, it has just this nice look. I'm gonna have to see which theme actually looks better when I process my YouTube videos. But for now, we're just going to go for the light theme. But I think that's a pretty cool ability to do. So one thing I noticed I didn't talk about was a little bit of this HTML over here, and I kind of want to explain it to you guys a bit more because I know this is a JavaScript tutorial, but I just want you guys to really kind of try out HTML. But if you're not, that's okay either. So I just wanted to talk to you guys about what the heck this whole thing is. So first of all, these items over here in HTML, these closing greater than or less than symbol signs represent a tag. And in HTML, a tag can do a command or can hold something, and that's what this right here is. So HTML basically classifies that we're going to put some HTML code in here, and then we're going to say header, which is the header part of the HTML code, which we put stuff like the meta char set, which refreshes the page, and script, source, loading the page. All of this stuff like that goes in the head, and in the body is all of our code that usually pops up over here, and the main chunk of our code is going to be in this body tag over here. So this header1 tag is actually displaying this, whatever is inside of it, as a kind of title. And you can actually change that, so let's experiment with that. You can go header2, you could go actually up to header3, but let's just see header2 right now. So refresh this. Oops, okay. And header2 doesn't look all that different, but let's try header3, guys. Huh. But why isn't it changing? I think my live preview has gone wrong. Pretty sure. Okay, here we go. Yeah. It was just my live preview. So this is header 3, and as you can expect, header 2 would kind of be the middle point of this, but I want to explain something else, which is something you guys might be asking, like, what the heck is this green src inside of this tag? So what we call things inside of tags is attributes, and attributes carry out items like naming the tag, like class, or in this case, putting a source in the tag so we can link it with this JavaScript external file. So what this source does, it's src, which is kind of smart. I didn't name it. But src, what it does is it finds whatever file you have over here, links, in this case, it actually links my file index.html to intro to brackets. So that's what it does. It's pretty useful, but I just wanted to explain to you guys a little bit of that HTML. If you did enjoy this video, guys, please do leave that big fat thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching this video, even though it was a little bit short. You guys must be excited for the next episode, in which we are going to be learning if-else conditional, so stay tuned for the next episode, and be sure to leave that big fat thumbs up if you did enjoy this video, guys, and if you are really awesome, subscribe to my channel. Other than that, guys, if you do have any questions, please do feel free to leave them down below in the comment section. And as always, remember to keep coding, guys. I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.